It is Supernanny Saturday, and today we are going to look at the Bowersock family. Spoiler alert, the mother, Jenniffer, was actually arrested in 2021. We are going to get to all of that, so grab yourself a beverage and let's dive in.
How about you clean your rooms?
I'll clean up my room.
In the afternoon, while Mum was making lunch, she asked the children to tidy up their bedrooms, but they didn't want to.
How about you clean your room? Oh, I didn't think about that, said no child ever. Mom is making a request of the kids with zero expectations. What does clean your room even look like when your room looks like a tornado went through it? And then on top of that, she can't monitor it because she's in the kitchen cooking.
I don't like to clean my room.
Go. Pick up now.
No.
Girls, are you cleaning?
No.
You better clean. If I come in there, you're going to get your butt spanked. Yeah, you will.
Not much cleaning going on.
I don't like to clean my room either, Lily. Mom pushes them into their rooms and then she threatens them and intimidates them from the hallway.
My kids don't listen to me. It's not funny.
It is.
You want me to throw everything away?
And that kitten.
I will throw Kitten away. You got Kitten, well, where's Kitten at?
This is kitten.
Oh, I see her. No, you don't get Kitten until the room's clean. No?
What in the world? Okay, we are escalating. We are escalating hard. Now she is threatening to take away, because she's not getting the cooperation that she wants, she's now threatening to take away her daughter's favorite toy kitten.
I couldn't give a hoot what she has to say.
Pick up!
And they laugh in her face and they don't take her seriously.
Pinch me and I will smack you. Look at the mess, Lily. Aren't you embarrassed?
Now we have yelling and shaming. Aren't you embarrassed?
I was at my breaking point. Get off. Bye-bye, Kitten. Give her a kiss. Bye.
I'm not surprised that the kids are not listening to her. Jen had lost it.
Come on, pick up. Now.
It's clear to me what the problem is in this house. And it's Jen.
Get it picked up now.
Full freaking rage mode, and she's now assaulting her children. And you know what? Did the kids even clean the room? No. And even if they did happen to clean their room, at what cost? And Joe knows that. So before Joe jumps in and does all her techniques as she does, she knows that this stems from somewhere. Take a look.
I wanted to get to the heart of matters with Jen. Who's this?
Me.
Childhood brought what for you?
A lot of beatings.
This little girl couldn't change the way her parents were towards her. But she's grown up to become a woman, a mother who can make sure that her own children never feel how you feel as that little girl.
Absolutely heartbreaking. Corporal punishment may have been common, and it still is common in certain parts of the world today, but that doesn't make it right. Yelling, intimidating, and putting your hand on a child is never okay. The phrase gentle parents are only for gentle children is misguided. The science, the research, the longitudinal studies, they say otherwise. Now, you might be able to get your kids to listen in the moment because they're terrified of you and in pain, but the research shows that that doesn't help long term. Long term, you are doing more damage than good. Unfortunately for this family, it kind of is proven because mom, after this was done, continued corporal punishment. And then her and dad ended up getting divorced. And she is estranged from her 3 children. They no longer talk to her. Now her 3 children, and I'll link the wiki on the description in here, her 3 children have gone on to continue to have a relationship with dad. From what we can tell, dad remarried, and all 3 of them are parents themselves. Thinking about that, I just hope that they have the strength and the support around them to break the cycle. My heart hurts for Jenniffer as she was arrested in 2021 for drug possession. You can even see her mugshot online. I'm not going to put it on here because I don't want to sensationalize something that is absolutely sad. She was abused as a child. She went on to abuse her children, and it's just an awful story. And I hope that she too can find the strength to overcome the demons that were placed in her toxic environment growing up. So you might be wondering, well, Kristen, what would you have done in this situation with your kids not cleaning up their room? I would have used the 3 R's. Are they ready? Did you role play? And did you reinforce? Let's start with ready. Telling Lily, who is 4, to go in her room and clean her room, she is not developmentally ready to handle an entire room. So you have to chunk it to what your child can do. Say something like, hey, go in your room and pick up the dinosaurs. Then you move on to role play. Role play means that you have to be a part of it in the beginning. You go in with your child and you teach them how to clean. And I don't mean teach them how to clean in a boring way. Think about you. When you clean, for example, what do you do? For me, I listen to music. So I taught my daughter years ago to put on her headset, put on her favorite music, and she mops the floor. And then number 3, reinforce. What are you doing after that you're excited to get to? So you say, oh, let's clean up all these dinosaurs, and then let's clean up the Barbies, and let's clean up the whatever. You go through all of it after you chunk so we can get outside and play bubbles, or we can go in the pool or whatever. Have something else after. Think of yourself after a long day of work. You don't want to come home and scrub toilets. You can only make that so enjoyable. I mean, maybe you enjoy scrubbing toilets, but I don't know many people who do. But you say to yourself, if I scrub these dang toilets, then I'm going to take a shower and then I'm going to go relax on the couch with a good book, or I'm going to binge watch Netflix with my husband, whatever it is. Ready, role play, reinforce. Is it exhausting? Yes. Raising small children in an effective way is exhausting, but you reap what you sow. And once you get your child to doing it on their own, you don't have to do any of the other stuff anymore. I don't have to sit there with my daughter when she mops. She does it with a happy heart because it's enjoyable for her, because she's listening to music while she does it, and we have something to look forward to after. I don't have to hear complaints and I don't have to hear whining. You can get there too. It's not about being perfect. It's about doing something today that will better your tomorrow. Whew, that was a lot. I hope that this video was both entertaining and educational. I'm on like week 8 of doing these Supernanny videos. I think you guys like them. I'm happy you're here. So I'll see you again next week. Bye.